Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2020 Tesla Model S long range. Really fast car. This thing has 557 horsepower and 373 miles of range, which is pretty impressive. I'm not a Tesla guy by any means. I do not like Tesla, but if I had to choose one, I would take a Model S. I think the Model S looks way better than the other Tesla models, and the interior quality seems better than other Tesla products. And the way they drive, I like the way the Model S drives. It's literally the only Tesla that I like. The long range and the Model S Plaid are cool cars. You don't even really need a Plaid because the long range is so fast. That is insanely fast. Quite impressive. That is awesome. But yeah, I mean, interior quality on this Model S, as I just said, it feels nice. Like when I sit in a Model 3 or a Model Y, I'm sure the Model X is similar to this too, but the Model 3 and Model Y, the seats feel extremely cheap. Leather feels cheap. But the steering wheel feels nice and sturdy in this car. The seats are more comfortable. Feels a bit more robust. Tesla build quality is not too great, but in this car, it's not nearly as bad as some of the other ones. Braking is nice. Regen braking is not too aggressive. It's pretty good. I don't like when regenerative braking is too, aggressive. Screen is really big. You have a giant map, which is useful right there. In the newer Teslas, Model S's, it's a horizontal instead of diagonal. Speaking of the Model S, man, they got to update it. It's been 12 years of the same car. They haven't changed anything other than interior a little bit, and then they changed the headlights and taillights a little bit. Like the design's the same, it's just facelifted. Like they gotta change this car. 12 years is not gonna cut it for the same design to be out. That's crazy. I'm just really impressed with the pickup of this car. It's fantastic. To hear me raving about a Tesla is not very common. Pretty good. Let's go for a quick walk around of this Model S long range. funny seeing all the Mercedes stocks in here. Nice wheels. Classic Tesla design, they all look the same. Nothing new here. Dual motor badge for the long range. I don't know if I'd get the cream interior just because it's going to get dirty real fast, as you can see here. Yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.